What's up, guys? It's Spam the Steampunk Nerfer, and today we've got the Nexus Pro, brand spanking new. Let's get it out of the box. Alright, just gotta snip a few more of these, and this thing will be free of its cardboard prison. Be right back. Okay, so what do you get after you've taken everything out of the box with your brand new Warlander knife? Thank you, Warlander Enterprises, for sending this to me. You get the Nexus Pro blaster with an angled foregrip. You get a stock magazines for the new half darts, as well as full-length darts. You get a mag adapter, a muzzle brake, and of course a stock, and 12 each of the requisite darts. So you've got 12 of the full length and 12 of the half length darts. So let's go ahead and get this fully out of the package and assembled so you can see all of its glory. A couple of things I want to talk about really quickly. First and foremost are the new darts here. The new half lengths are obviously a combination between worker darts and the bamboo darts, having the bamboo head and the worker bodies. They are relatively equal in diameters, and they are pretty sturdy foam. They feel better than the worker foam. The worker foam feels pretty meh, and the bamboo darts feel relatively sturdy. These feel a lot more dense, and they also more or less feel like a professional dart. Like this feels more like you're gonna feel it on a pro field, which is really what they're kind of going for. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is the new full-length darts, and these are much of the same. They look like they've got the standard Adventure Force dart bodies, but they've got the bamboo heads, and these are a soft tip. If my phone would ever focus properly, they're a soft tip. They do have some squish to them, and they do feel pretty good. Now, one other quick thing. The new magazines, they are not omnidirectional. They are single direction. They look like they have the exact same cutouts as any other Nerf magazine. These are basically the exact same mags that you see in the Dart Zone Pro line, which is great. It means we know that Talons will work, yada yada yada. Great, life is good. The mag adapter comes with the Nexus Pro. Life is simply good. So let's go ahead and put a few of these darts downrange. All right, guys, first, safety first. Wear your masks. Wash your hands, use hand sanitizer. In order to load this guy, you're gonna have to prime it and load all the way in and back all the way forward. And then firing. I am a dirty southpaw, sorry. Oh, that is beautiful. Nice, crisp pop. Let's go ahead and get some downrange shots, and I will show you exactly how far this thing can blast, because I honestly think this is going to change value, entry-level, competitive play to an insane degree. One other thing, a couple of other things, two other things. The muzzle brake is just a friction fit, so it just fits directly in. You don't have to have it. Personally, I think it looks cooler. They've got a couple of extra little sights on here that are removable, so they just slide right off. Really nice and easy. One thing I did notice is that you've got a ton of play here before it actually engages the actual plunger. So you've got a lot of play here. Honestly, I don't know if that's going to be good or not, but I don't know. I'm a little hesitant. That just tells me that they've left a good 2 inches of space that they could have used for spring and plunger. So what can you do? Anyway, let's go ahead and get some downrange shots. Okay. I have some decently wooded areas behind me, so unfortunately I'm not going to be able to get a whole lot of distance shots, But as far as accuracy, let's go ahead and see what we can do. This thing is shooting laser beams, guys. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing is just insane. And it's actually shooting through the trees and hitting my garage. I don't know what to say. That's just incredible. And I am aiming a little high. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Well, actually... yeah, I could not be happier with this. It's only a $50 pickup from Walmart. Grab this blaster. It's worth it. The adjustable boffer tube stock makes life super simple, super easy. The fact that it can do half lengths, and half lengths are on the store shelves right now. Huge. 10 out of 10. Totally recommend. I just can't believe that a company finally listened to the masses and brought out a dart system for us as hobbyists. That's just incredible to me. Thank you for watching. If you like this, comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Stay steamy, my friends.